This project is a beautiful 10-acre of green space in the center of the urban Mumbai.
When you have such a lovely atmosphere in this property, we would like to encourage people to come out, explore, feel the landscape, feel the forests, feel the trees.
Everywhere, what we have tried to do is create a sense of involvement with nature.
And the treehouse is the perfect medium for doing that.
Treehouse is the way nature or the birds live in their house. So this treehouse will make them feel like a bird.
Somebody with, heart and soul who can build it for the purpose that it is intended. Oftentimes, we see tree houses which are built for luxury escapes. That was not the idea. The idea here was that children should have a lot of fun while playing in the tree house, and the features of the tree house should encourage play.
We were invited by Hubtown Seasons to add some real magic to this natural space. And for me, as a father, to work with my two sons on this project is a real joy. They keep me young. This space is for families, and it's for grown-ups to be kids, and it's for kids to be kids. We're creating a space where children can have imagination. For them, one day it's a cafe, the next day it's a castle. It's make-believe, it's fantasy, it's fun, it's not just about activity.
It was very important when the child is interacting with the environment, he gets a feel of a natural environment and not the feel of a built environment. So the idea of getting timber, the idea of going through the effort of getting a tree house from Europe, which is built from natural materials, is very important to the entire experience of Seasons as a property. The tree house is made from radiata pine and southern yellow pine, which is sourced from environmentally friendly forests in South Africa and California. The natural colored polyhemp fiber ropes which are used in the tree house and the quality of the timber, which has been honed to ensure no hard edges, ensures that children can interact with the tree house without having any fear of injury.
And there's a whole journey of adventure that takes the child and the grown-up who's connecting with their inner child to have fun, to play together. And this really fits with the brand values of Hubtown Seasons.
At Hubtown Seasons, we want to encourage playfulness and we want to bring the child out in you.
I'm holding steady for you.